Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is fantastic to have you here, and today I'm going to show you the Diane Megaminx. Now, the Diane Megaminx is actually famous for its launches that won a couple of world records way back 2013. Okay, so let's get started. So you just need to put it on this position, same as the 3x3, and pry open the edge piece. Like so. Alright, and follow up the corner pieces, as you could see. Like that, and as you could see, it is actually a tight fit, so please do bear in mind that it's going to be difficult to remove. Okay, so you're going to remove all of the edge pieces, and it's going to look just like this. And it actually looks like a virus, if you know what I mean. Let's just put this on the side, and let's remove now the center pieces. Okay, so as you can see, it's already been removed, and then let's just put it on this side. And you just need a Phillips screwdriver to remove the center pieces right here. Alright, as you could see, same thing as the other 3x3 that I opened, that there's a screw, the spring, and the spacer. And the spacer should be actually inside, as you could see. Alright, and let's do everything on the other side. Alright, so once you remove all of the pieces, this is the main core of the Megaminx, and it actually has two parts, and if you remove these screws right here, it would pry apart. Alright, and let's just segregate real quick. Okay, so I just separated the corner pieces and the edge pieces, and the sides is gonna be these ones right here. I'm just gonna clean it up real quick. Okay, so we're back, and as you can see, let's start with the core piece right here. And as you can see, alright, let's start with this one right here. Just need to screw it up, same thing as the 3x3. Screw it all up, and make sure everything is all tight. Then, you know, loosen it up, so at least once you build the cube, it's gonna be really flexible. Okay, and I think this is gonna be good. I'm gonna go halfway on the thread and halfway not on the thread. If you could see it here, but I know you won't. Let's do it on the other pieces. Okay, and just need to put all of the 12 pieces on the core right here. As you can see, and oh, Okay, I found the piece. Sorry about that. Let's continue on assembling it. Sorry about that. All right, it should look a little something like this. And I'm not gonna put in the center pieces yet because I don't know the orientation. Let's just find all of the whites right here. Okay, now we separated the whites and the other pieces. Let's start on building it right here. So let's start with the edge piece, then work our way over to the corner pieces. And there. Let's start with this pentagon right here, as you could see. And let's work our way up to the top, just like the 3x3 as well. Second, we just need to get the edge pieces and work our way up from there. Okay, so as you can see, I have the second layer all up and running right here. And next is just gonna be the third layer, which is the zigzag part up until the top right here. All right, so we're just gonna go through the corner piece, then an edge piece, corner piece, and an edge piece until we fix the whole third layer. Okay, so as you can see, all of the 5 points of the pentagon is actually showing. We just need to put in the other corner pieces to fill it out. Okay, so as you can see, we're just working our way up from the here and making sure all of the pieces are actually aligned and perfectly correct until we go through the top. Let's actually segregate the gray pieces because that's the only pieces that's gonna be on the top. and it's gonna be difficult if everything is actually all mixed up. Okay, now down to the last layer. Let's start with the corner pieces. Let's see. Oops, it's opposite. And let's just align it here at the corner piece. Okay, and let's put in the other corner piece. Alright, be careful on putting the pieces because it might pop out and you might restart all over. Right, one side down, 4 more to go. Put it on this piece right here. Okay, down to the last 2 pieces. I just need to jam these 2 at the same time, because it's gonna be difficult if I do it one by one. All right, as you could see, everything should be actually all good, and the tightening that we did earlier is actually successful. Let's just put in the center pieces. All right, as you can see, everything is actually all good. Let's try to jumble it and solve it. Let's see if I still got it. I still got it, but it takes time for me to do this. All right, and the best way to shuffle this is using this technique right here. Just jumbling what's or not. Okay, and yeah, let's get started. All right. Okay. So as you can see, I still actually got it. It's just the same thing how you build a 3x3. The difference is just the other extra layers that you actually have right there. Okay. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. And if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing.